Hello everyone, I'm Soheila ROstami. I'm an oculofacial plastic surgeon, double board certified. I'm talking to you on Monday, December 16th. And the topic for today, I thought, why not talk about beauty? Facial beauty is very interesting how each person defines it. Yes, we can make it a scientific way of approaching to beauty, and we have pi ratio, we have so many different things that we talk about scientifically. But truthfully, there is a saying, beauty is in the eyes of beholder. And I really think that there is a lot of truth to that. So different cultures, different socioeconomic backgrounds, even that can define beauty differently. So unfortunately, there is not one thing that you can say that will define beauty. And I think that that's just overall the way it is. Now, when you come to a facial surgeon and you're looking for improvement of your appearance, enhancement of your appearance, you have to understand that individual also look at beauty different. So you have to understand that there is some personal input will be given to you from that surgeon. I really think that medicine altogether is an art of science, but our specific specialty, cosmetic facial surgery, is even more related to art than any other specialty. And the reason I say that is because we really put our desires and our liking into what we do. So the beauty is defined by the surgeon when they doing the facial surgeries, when they're doing injectables and doing different things for your enhancement. So my suggestion would be, look at their before and after for sure before you go to that or pick your provider, because that makes a lot of difference on how you're going to be treated by that surgeon. So, and I give you an example to make it more clear for you. You know how we look at different paintings and different artists' work, and you may find that art beautiful, but another person may find it not so beautiful. So, like, I really think Da Vinci's work is amazing, but some people may not think so. Even, when you think about it, the most famous work by Da Vinci, Mona Lisa, some people don't think that it's beautiful. Some people think that it's amazing, it's one of the best work ever. So Picasso, the same thing with Picasso. Yes, they are very well known, but some people really don't like the work of Picasso. They think it doesn't even make sense. Yes, it's totally different than other arts, but I don't want to put those two next to each other. So let's talk about like Van Gogh and Da Vinci. Both are great artists, but they're different. You may like one of them, you may not like the other one. So the same thing goes with our work. So my work might not be something that you may think that is beautiful. Some other person may find it beautiful. So it's a lot of art goes into what we do. So just make sure you review all the before and afters and look at the style of their work. And then you decide according to the style of work they provide, then you think that their work is beautiful, then you can choose that individual. Another thing that I thought that it would be really important for you to, when you deciding to come to a surgeon and having facial enhancement, is really think about the fads, there's so many things comes and goes, and especially Hollywood makes certain things be desirable more than others just for a short period of time. These are all advertisements, and I don't know. I mean, I just really think youth has to think about what they're deciding to do to their bodies and especially to their faces. You have to understand some of these are forever changes you, and you cannot undo them. So please be careful with the fads out there or popular procedures out there. If I'm going to give you one thing that is the to take away message from what I'm telling you, is that beauty is not a fad. Beauty is something that is always there, and the person who thinks that beauty is there, that's the thing they think that is beautiful. Their idea is not going to change. So unfortunately these days they go by fads. They are changing their faces to the point, and I see that happening often, and they want to undo it, and it's not possible to do that for them. So please don't fall for that. Think twice before you make a decision and trying to change your face permanently, because sometimes, and most of the time, you cannot get that back. And no matter how much you try to undo what you already did, you cannot get what you had before. So you can have so many surgeries and you still cannot get back to what it was. So keep that in mind. That is the most important message I want you to take from this particular talk. I hope it's helpful. I hope these talks are helpful for you and you get something out of them. Please give me some feedback. I really look forward to hear from all of you. Best of luck, and thank you for listening to me.